What's the number one thing that you can do to improve your house that's going to give you a great return on investment? If you watch all the way to the end, I'll give you number 2 and number 3. The number one thing you can do when it comes time to sell your house that's going to give you the best return on investment is take the time to patch any small repairs on the wall and ceiling and paint to a neutral color. By fixing small cracks like this that maybe you've lived with for your whole life in the house shows that you've taken good care of the house and will be better represented to the buyer. This room is the perfect example. When we first looked at it, it looked like a color like this. Now it's the perfect calming neutral tone that'll be more attractive to a buyer. The second best thing that homeowners can do when it comes time to sell that's going to give them a good return on investment and make their house more attractive to buyers is taking the time to caulk baseboards and look for cracks like this. You want to make them look seamless and perfect. Here's a great example of how it should look like. You can see the caulking line going there and it looks seamless and perfect. The third best thing that homeowners can do that's going to give them a good return on investment when it comes time to sell is look at your old outlets and switch covers. This one here, for instance, has paint covering it. It's upside down and it's brown. This is a perfect example of a modern decor style, and it really improves the overall appearance and kind of the modernness of the house. Now, the one thing to be very careful with here is a lot of people feel that they can do it themselves. I've seen houses when we've been doing renovations where they're not done properly, and also where they've arced and almost caused a fire. As well as in Winnipeg, we have houses with aluminum wiring. If you're doing that, there's special things you need to do if you're looking to do that. So definitely consult a professional when you're looking to do these things. The nice thing about doing these kind of fix-ups on your house is not only will you get more money when it comes time to sell, but it'll also sell quicker. That's why on the Judy Lindsay team, we do these things often for free, or at least at no upfront cost to you, and we've got professionals who have been on our team for over 10 years.